immigration consultancy service or sa NMA solution?
Send the
Send the
resumes.
resume, and then meron naman kami contact number na you could easily reach, and then we have this kind of
We do pre-assess for free.
yeah.
So, the initial requirement would be a very detailed CV,
With job description.
job description, and they can send it to myself, information at migration-options.com. You can find it or NMA
Yeah.
training solutions. That's
Same.
where there.
So we work together hand in hand.
Yeah.
So we've been training the nurses, and then Miss Malu will do their visas and so on. So
Usually po, ilang months po ba or inaabot ng year yung processing?
depende sa
Or
pagpasa.
depende sa company?
Depende sa nurse. Kasi ang nurse, kapag ready ng IELTS, in a year, nagtatrabaho na yan. Pero ang bagal-bagal din naman mag-provide ng documents, magtatagal.
So depende kung kailan nila ipapasa yung mga required documents. So kung ready na lahat sila, and then they pass their IELTS. So
Dun sa mga qualification, pag okay na, madali na yun. Usually po, gaano kabilis yung pag halimbawa complete document, estimated ilan months na tatapos yung processing?
not including the bridging course. Yun ang dapat mo.
Sa nurse, yan.
Yes, a nurse.
6 months.
6 months.